just a quick overview of the RX Office or LenSync system. At the top of the screen you have the account number or account name. This would be adding a new order, checkout, order status, if you wanted to change the language. Fast uncut would be where you would specify a blank size. Most people don't use that. You've got uncut, frame to come, lens only, frame and lens package if the lab was supplying a package. Clip-on, you wouldn't use this tab, you would use this if you were doing a clip-on order. Trace data, you can search for traces by collection, manufacturer, or frame name. And when you pull it up, this is going to reach in the lab database and select the trace. As you can see, it'll pull the trace in that the lab has. Advanced parameters would be pano, tilt, vertex. If you wanted the bevel modifier or specify how you want your bevel on your frame, you could put that here. So if you wanted follow front, how far to the front you want the bevel apex. Pin bevel size, if you want a small pin bevel or a large pin bevel, and you can change it for front and back. Polished edges, if you wanted a high luster polish, you would select this. Standard polish would be this. If you just want to polish the pin bevels here or just the edges, you would select this one. Then you have your lens types, your material colors, your material itself, your brand or design, if it was a progressive or office lens, if you were supplying lenses, and by selecting these items here, it just narrows down that list for you. Your prescription entry, if you have prism, you would select here. If you're doing anti-reflective or mirror coating, tints, and there's another advanced parameters button. This would be if you want to specify the base curve or thickness, center thickness, edge thickness. And once you enter your order, and you hit add to cart, there'll be any warnings will pop up there, but it still allows you to go through. Add to cart, and now your order is here, so you would want to print and wrap this around the frame so the lab can identify where the job goes. And once you do that, you're going to check out. You would agree to terms and hit OK. At that point, it's going to send the job to the lab and it should pop up instantaneously. If you need to delete the order, you can just leave it highlighted and click delete. And that's a quick overview.